Welcome back. Former Goa CM Manohar Parrikar has figured in the top 100 most powerful Indians. In a list released by the Indian Express, Parrikar has been placed at 23rd position. Business tycoon Gautam Adani, Uddhav Thackeray, Ratan Tata, Anil Ambani and Birlas are placed after Parrikar. Parrikar has got elevation from last year's 46th position to 23rd this year. This is a 100% jump from last year's position.
This is Indian Express survey on India's most powerful 100 Indians. It features top politicians, business tycoons, sportsmen to personalities from film fraternity. Former Goa CM and Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar figures on 23rd position. Parrikar has gained elevation this year from last year's 46th position to 23rd position. Let us see what the survey says about Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar, aged 59 years. Why he is the 23rd powerful Indian. Narendra Modi is believed to have persuaded the former Goa CM to move to Delhi to take charge of the Defence Ministry. The fate of multiple acquisitions, modernization of forces rests with him. Making DRDO Chief Avinash Chandra step down is considered as a power punch step by Parrikar as Defence Minister. Parrikar is working on defence procurement policy with Make in India theme. Parrikar is assured that no middleman culture would persist for future defence deals. Survey also mentions that Parrikar used to run a manufacturing business. Parrikar has been placed after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mohan Bhagwat, Sonia Gandhi, President of India Pranab Mukherjee, Mukesh Ambani and others. But the most highlighting fact is many high-profile and influential personalities are figuring after Parrikar in the survey. Industrialist Gautam Adani on 25th position, Uddhav Thackeray on 29th, Ratan Tata on 30th, Nitin Gadkari on 35th position, Baba Ramdev on 37th, Sharad Pawar on 47th position, Rajat Sharma on 51st, N. Srinivasan on 52nd, Kumar Mangalam Birla on 56th, Anil Ambani on 57th, Prashant Bhushan 59th, Sunil Mittal 67th, Virat Kohli on 69th, Amir Khan on 70th position, Salman Khan on 83rd, MS Dhoni on 91st and Arnab Goswami on 100. Video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
It's shocking. GVK catering to emergency services is still not registered. The employees of the 108 ambulance services revealed it on Monday. They got the information through RTI. Employees claim that GVK is yet to be registered as a contractor and registration fee of 24,000 is still pending. They met Directorate of Health Services in Panji on Monday, demanding justice.
जे रजिस्टर नासली आमकां खबर नासले जेन्ना आमी ते डॉक्युमेंट MOU RTIच्या मार्फत हाडले तेन्ना आतां आमकां कळ्ळें हेज्यान पयलीं आमकां ते खबर नासले आमी हेज्या कडेन मागताले की लेबर कमिशनरा कडेन मागताले की आमकां ह्यो सवलती दिवच्यो म्हणून जेन्ना तेंच्यांनी पळयले तेन्ना तांकां कळून येलें की हे एज अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर म्हणून रजिस्टर ना.
Some of the workers alleged that Health Department has failed to keep track of the services.
तितले 15 गाडयो चलता हेजेर तेंचे ऑब्जर्वेशन आसा का ना तांकां क्वेश्चन केलो ते करता म्हणटा ऑब्जर्वेशन जाल्यार ह्यो गाडयो अश्यो स्क्रॅप जावन बंद कित्याक पडला हो गव्हर्मेंटाक खबर ना ते म्हणटा फंड्स दिता म्हणटा तेंच्या कडल्यान आमी सगळो रिकॉर्ड घेता म्हणटा जाल्यार हे आतां गाडयो बंद आहा तेंचो रिकॉर्ड कोणा कडेन आसा हे आमी हांगा विचारूंक सोदता गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक.
Employees of Goa's 108 ambulance services protesting against poor working conditions and harassment by the management are demanding the scrapping of contract with the private service provider. Staff is on strike from 18th February at Azad Maidan. 16 employees are served with termination notices. Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Nathurmal Mines and Minerals Workers Union has demanded immediate implementation of Goans Welfare Mining Master Plans 2013. The union has threatened of agitation against the company if their demands are not met within 4 days. Advocate Ajit Singh Rane alleged that owner of Nathurmal company is harassing the workers, while owner Harish Melwani refuted all the charges, stating that most of the workers have been settled. Those remaining are not ready for settlement.
Workers from Nathurmal Mines and Minerals Company has decided to go on hunger strike against the company. Advocate Ajit Singh Rane said that if the issue is not resolved within 4 days, then will agitate at Azad Maidan.
नाथुरमलान कितें केल्लें आसा की आमचो जो सेटलमेंट करपाक जाय आसलो तो सेटलमेंट तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना. त्याच प्रमाणे आमकां तेंच्यांनी कितें केल्लें आसा सेटलमेंट करचो पडटा म्हणून स्थानीक आमदार डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांकां भितर मध्यस्थी घालून काय हे युनियन जे आसा पळय तोडपाचो जाय तो प्रयत्न तेंच्यांनी केल्लो आसा आनी डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताक हे युनियन तोडपाच्या बाबतींत एक अर्दें यश मेळिल्लें आसा ताका.
While Harish Melwani, owner of the company, said if the workers are ready for the settlement, then he is ready for it. He said many other workers have already accepted a remuneration as guided by Central Labour Commissioner.
ते आमकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन लेबर कमिशनरान दिले पळय ते सेटलमेंट फिगर्स आमी तांकां दिले. आतां ते जर ते जे कोणी एक्सेप्ट केले पळय जवळ जवळ 80-90 लोकांनी एक्सेप्ट केले तांचे आमी सेटलमेंट ऑलरेडी पेड केले फूल एंड फायनल आनी कंप्लायन्स सुद्दां दिलो आमी सेंट्रल लेबर कमिशनराक. आतां हे जे पळय 8-10 जाण उरले पळय ते जर एक्सेप्ट करता जाल्यार आमी सेटल करता न्ही. हॅरेसमेंटाचो प्रश्नूच येना. थंय कामूच ना जाल्यार हॅरेसमेंट कोण करतलो कित्याक?
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.